Hey guys, it's Ron here, and I want to talk today about the new upcoming Autel Evo, which is available on the 25th of June. There's a link below. You want to go ahead and get that pre-order. I've already seen a couple of people post that it's not getting quite as far as they were hoping. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out. I had this slated today to get it tested out. Today I'm doing a range test on the new Autel Evo. It states it can go just over 4 miles, but I'm more interested to see how the connection is going to be during the process. But this Evo so far, I've gotten it just over 2 miles without any connection issues whatsoever. And why don't we get to that range test right now? Alright guys, so overall, this was a phenomenal success for the Autel Evo. Just got over 3.6 miles. I did have some weak video signals along the way, as you see in the video. There's a reason for that. The reason is, when I fly, I was literally flying with different antenna angles. I literally tried this way, I tried this way, I tried it upside down like this, I tried flipping them like this, which this is the best way. This is where I had the best signal, is with the antennas sticking straight up like this. I usually fly with a little bit of an angle on them. I got good signal on that as well. As you can see, that's right there. But the best signal I had, anytime I had a weak video signal or weak transmission signal on the video, I popped them up just like that, and I had it went away, as you see in there. So I tried every single direction flying. I turned the controller away. I went completely away from the bird itself and went the opposite direction. I try every single scenario that I can think of while flying to see what kind of arrows we're gonna get. Guys, this thing stayed strong for just over 3.6 miles. We're not gonna fly that far, let's just be honest. The reason for these tests are to see how strong the connectivity is. So I don't care if it's 2.4, 5.8, or 900, doesn't matter. Has a great connection. Another range test, I did the Phantom 4 Pro versus the Phantom 4 Pro 2.0. Those went just a little bit further than the Evo. I'd say based on, I have to look at the video again, but we're looking at about 1,500 to 1,800 foot difference between the Evo and the Phantom 4 Pros, but you'll see that video as well. So guys, this goes quite the distance. If you guys want to pre-order the drone, go ahead and click the link below. If you want to go ahead and join my Facebook group, Drones United, you're more than welcome there. We have one rule: no drone police. That's it. Just sharing good drone content. Also, please subscribe to my page. And if you have any questions, if you want to see specific tests, go ahead and drop me a message. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a phenomenal day, and happy flying.